All right. We're fixing this. Everyone and their grandmother has fixed this. It's just fixing the battery that's in here. Let's try speedrunning it. I gotta find a multimeter to prove that I fixed it. Okay, we got the really nice one. Please. Oh, thank God. I never remember which one needs to be done. Nope. Okay, so you can see. Put that there. Slide. Open. Oh. Ow. Just stabbed the f out of myself. Let us go. Millivolts. Oh. What the f? Hold on. Look at this. This is just like... Doesn't matter because it's DC, so it'll be negative. Okay, so this is negative. This is positive. It's 3 volts, but... Wait. I don't know where my Game Boy Color went. I haven't advanced, though. Shout out to this game. Keeping my childhood based that far. I had to drive to Compton and Oakland to get it. Thanks, Dad. Okay, well, I mean, the guy. Okay, well, what's in here? Oh, I guess. Whatever. It's old. It hasn't been changed out before, so let's change it out for the guy. Let's start the timer now. I can't start the timer because I don't have a soldering iron. You're gonna watch how I did it before and just going. Okay, so we get time to warm it up. What's that, like a plus 30-second deduction? Alright, so the negative is this side, so we want to put it like that. Warm up faster. We're literally $2 from another country, please. Ah, lead. Well, I guess while it's loading, heating up, Jesus. Cool. Instantly, it didn't take a second, so it's doing its thing. Pliers, are you doing things? Oh, okay, so let's not breathe this in. Alright, we gotta just kind of hold that on there for a wee little bit, because when you do Nintendo solder, it's like, it's never good, you know? There you go. But I mean, it's just like, the solder takes a little bit for it to get off because it hasn't been soldered before and has factory solder, which compared to consumer solder is a little bit harder. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. I thought it was the new battery. I got scared. Honestly, I'm stupid. Please. I'm going to crash out, guys. Okay, let's add some solder to that to at least push it down a little bit. Ow, ow, ow. Me cooking FR, ow. Alright, let's do the other one. So the trick is to heat up the metal with the solder so it melts at the same time. So it melts over it and not just like on top of it, you know? Life lessons with Dave. Dave the Diver. Here you go. There you go, and done. Oh wait, no. It's like the cookie video where you have to put everything back together before. Please. Done. Let's see if it's here. And they're screaming downstairs. Why is it so loud? Oh, that's why it's so loud. Hello? There you go. That's what we're looking for. I'm on a timer here, bro. Stop being low power. We're red. That's fine. Same's blue. Please. Okay, cool. Yep. 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 Alright, let's save. Alright, let's power it on. I'm kind of confident, so I'm going to let you dissolve. Continue. Yep, there it is. Cool. Thanks, guys. I gotta go give this back to the guy. Bye. Steam break, new video. Oh no.